Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss probability, class 10, exercise 13.2, problem number 9. In the previous video, we have seen how to find the probability of diamond curves. In this session, we are going to discuss probability of defective and non-defective bulbs. Click this I button to learn introduction to probability and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Exercise 13.2, question number 9. A lot of 20 bulbs contains 4 defective ones. One bulb is selected at random from the lot. What is the probability that the bulb is defective? Suppose the bulb selected in previous case is not defective and is not replaced. Now one bulb is selected at random from the rest. What is the probability that this bulb is not defective? Let us see the solution. What information is given in this problem? Here 20 bulbs. In that 4 defective bulbs. 20 bulbs in 4 defective. 4 defective means how many non-defective bulbs? So 22 we can subtract, we are getting non-defective bulbs. So 20 bulbs are in, 4 bulbs are defective bulbs. So here this is 16 are non-defective bulbs. So what they asked here, what is the probability that the bulb is defective? Defective one we need to find. Probability of defective bulb. So let us see the solution. Total bulbs equal to 20. In that, how many defective bulbs? Only 4 are defective bulbs. Number of defective bulbs equal defective bulbs equal 4. So here 20 bulbs in 4 bulbs are defective bulbs. How many non-defective bulbs? Number of non-defective bulbs equal non-defective bulbs equal, that is total bulbs to we need to subtract the defective bulbs, we can get non-defective bulbs, that are 16 bulbs will be non-defective bulbs. So total outcomes, how many here? Total outcomes will be 20 outcomes. Write down. So total number of outcomes equal to 20. Number of favorable outcomes 2. Number of favorable outcomes 2. A defective bulb equal 4. So now we need to find probability of the bulb is defective. So probability of that the bulb is defective. So defective one we need to find. So probability of that the bulb is defective equal number of favorable outcomes by number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes, how many here? Only defective ones only we need to take. Defective one is 4 by total outcomes. Total outcomes how many here? That is 20. So 4 1s are 4 5s are, that equal 1 by 5. So probability of that the bulb is defective is 4 by 20 or 1 by 5. Now we need to find again, in this case only they given second one. Suppose the bulb is selected in the previous case is not defective. It is not the defective and is not replaced. What we took that one? It is not replaced. It is not the defective and it is not replaced. Now one bulb is selected at random from the remaining bulbs to remaining how many it will be? Total 20 bulbs are there. Total 20 bulbs in we took one outside. So total 2 we are subtracting 1, we can get the remaining one. So total 22, 1 subtracting means we can get, that is 19 bulbs will be. So what is the probability that the bulb is not defective? Not defective one we need to find. In the previous case also, here what we chosen, what we took out, that is not the defective. So total not the defective one here, how many bulbs it will be? Total non-defective bulbs are 16. So what we chosen, what we took out, that is not the defective. Now how many outcomes we can get here? That is 16 minus 1, that equal 15 bulbs. Number of favorable outcomes to non-defective, how many? That is 15. Total outcomes will be 19. Yes. So now write down total number of outcomes equal 20 minus 1, that equal 19. Number of favorable outcomes to non-defective equal, here non-defective bulbs are total 16 will be. In the previous case when one bulb we took outside, means we can get 16 minus 1, that equal 15. So probability of getting a non-defective bulb equal number of favorable outcomes. I written FAB only, favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes to non-defective bulbs, how many here? That is 15 by total outcomes will be 19. So what is the probability of getting a non-defective bulb? That is 15 by 19. Do comment if you have any clarification in this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.